Okay, this is just dealing with the further upgrades that I've done to the truck. Obviously I added the whipper carb. It's the 3838, which came with the fuel pressure regulator, and I blocked off the port for the EGR and stuff. It's not the prettiest. I just used a piece of metal, a grinder, and a drill. Added the bolts on there with the gasket and gasket maker, so there's no leaks, so it runs pretty good. So that helped a lot. And the original manifold exhaust on the exhaust side, and everything having to do with the muffler and the catalytic converter, I replaced all that, because all that stuff, man, you can just a little love tap you give it, and just nothing but rust and dust would just pour out of it. It was in pretty rough shape. Plus, getting the new exhaust, it came with these I don't know what you call them, these bolt contraptions already on there. I just tightened them up a little bit further. There's this one over here that typically would feed to the EGR contraption on the other side. So this actually made it way easier, you know, and not having to deal with cutting or welding or any of that jazz, which I have no clue on how to do because I don't know that stuff. But yeah, it runs. Yeah, the engine runs pretty good now. It's way better. The only codes that pop up, you know, on the computer, and it's not a big deal because it's all those sensors that you don't use anymore that typically would go on the original carburetor. I have them over here, just, you know, for the map sensor. Okay, they are. If I you know, run the codes on the computer, I get 12, which is the mass airflow sensor, 23, which is the throttle valve switch, and 43, which is the throttle position sensor. You know, obviously, again, they're not connected because there's nothing to connect them to, but it's not, you know, affecting the truck in any way, or in any negative way. It's running pretty good. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, I already started it in the previous video, but what the heck, I'll start it again just because it sounds pretty good. I'll just restart it again, but I won't be saying too much after I started. It's you know, start the engine, because it's kind of loud. Oh yeah, got an aftermarket steering wheel. Just got to re-bolt on the other bucket seat. But this is not, I don't know if it's actually the best place, but it was the only place in a pinch to add the return spring. I'm sure there's a better spot to put it. But hey, it works, so for now I'll just leave it on there. It's all good. But, you know, that's pretty much it for now. See you later.